type chemistry OER and click, right? So these options will appear. So we'll explore these links one by one. So when you click on chemistry open education resources, just open in another window. So this is open education resources by Humboldt State University, right? So why I have written chemistry, so particularly because I want to search for chemistry open education resources only. So it will take you directly to chemistry page, right? So see, in this page, open textbook collections are there. So there are so many links. BC open textbooks. So it is also showing that it provides textbooks including analytical chemistry, organic chemistry with biological emphasis, etc. ChemWiki core on the core information in the fields of organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, etc. Right? LibreText chemistry is there. Lumen Learning, Merlot, and National Academic Press, NAP, OER Commons are there, OpenStack, CNX chemistry book is there, Open Textbook Library is there, from where you can explore many chemistry topics for your online teaching, right? So there are other options also, courses and videos. Chemistry courses are there, free online courses are available, Future Learn, Khan Academy. So many free videos are available on Khan Academy, MIT Open Courseware. Then next is labs and simulations. So virtual chemistry lab, interactive simulation for general chemistry. So you can explore all these links. So additional resources are there, ChemSpider, ChemTool, interactive periodic table is also there, like calcium. So they have their own, Royal Society of Chemistry have their own interactive periodic table. Learn chemistry, spectroscopy problem solving is there. So let's explore these links one by one. So let's see first OER Commons. So click on OER Commons. Let me open this in new window. So this is OER Commons, right? So we want chemistry resources only. So that's why it is showing chemistry, because I have chosen for chemistry. So the chemistry subject is already there, filter option is there. So if you want to select some educational level, so you can select from that. So college level or community college lower division, for example, I want for college level, right? So sorry, college level was already selected. So right, so here you can search for your topics. So even search filters, you can search by sort by title. If you have a particular title of book, so you can search by title or relevance or rating, date added, etc. So these can be explored. For example, OpenStack chemistry. So when you click on this, let me show you. So this is OpenStack chemistry. So if you want to view the resource, so you can view the resource. If you want to save, so if you click on save, so it is saying that please log in to save the materials. So if you want to save some material on OER Commons, first you have to register. So it is free, of course. So you can first register, and then you can save that material on your desktop. So these are the topics on which you can explore the open education resources for chemistry. Right? So similarly, if you click on OpenStack CNX chemistry, so when we click on this, so the page is loading. Yes, so this page will get opened, right? So you can explore these chemistry topics, chemistry of main group elements, physical methods, advanced search. You can do advanced search from this option, advanced search, so you can get your material for online teaching. For more about OpenStack Chemistry, so when you click on OpenStack Chemistry link from Google browser, so this page will open, right? So here there is table of content. So and you can download a PDF file as well, and you can also print the pages. So click on the table of content, and here is the table of content having different topics: introduction, chemistry in context, phases, classification, measurement. So which topic you want? For example, I want atomic structure and symbolism. So click on this and these pages will appear, right? So if these pages are of my relevance, if I want to show these pages to, or I want to share pages with my students, so you can also print these pages by clicking on the print option, right? So in this way you can explore the chemistry OERs from Google browser, right? So there are so many other links also you can explore that. Always remember this: when you are sharing or you are including these topics in your lectures or in your notes, always try to put source of those pages from where you have taken those pages, because so you always see for copyright issues or common there is this license, common attribution 4.0 international license. That means you are free to use this material, but you have to mention the source of the from where you have taken this topic or these whole pages, right? So always remember this. Let's explore one more link, that is spectroscopy problem solving. So this site was established to provide chemistry students with a library of spectroscopy problems. So interpretation of spectra is a technique that requires practice. This site provides 1H NMR, 13C NMR, and IR spectra of various compounds. So let's explore this site. So click on this. So when you click on this page will open: web spectra problems in NMR and IR spectroscopy. So if you want to see the spectra of compound, so there are so many compounds. So this is for beginning. Intermediate level means a little bit tougher, then intermediate 2, then advanced level compounds. All these compounds are there to see the spectras of these compounds. So let's start with a simple one. So click on compound 1. So when you click on compound 1 is this C4H8O2. So NMR solvent in this case is CdCl3. So if you want to see 1H NMR, click on 1H NMR spectrum. So this is the spectrum NMR spectra of C4H8O2 molecule, right? Now if you want to click on a particular you want to see a particular peak, whether it is singlet, triplet or quadet, so click on that peak. Just place your cursor on the peak and click on that peak. So that peak will get zoomed out. So this is the peak on which we just clicked, right? So this is a singlet peak, right? Next, again zoom out. So we zoomed in actually. So let's see this peak. So when you click on this peak, so it is a triplet peak, and you can just zoom in to see the detail of the peak, right? So this, like in this way, you can see the spectra of molecules. Let's go back to see other compound. So we had just explored about the 1H NMR spectrum. So if you want to see 13C NMR spectrum, so click here. So this is the 13C NMR, and if you click on these peaks, you can zoom in to see the peaks, whether they are singlet, doublet or triplet, etc. And similarly, let's see, go back to the problem. Now view structure solution. So click on view structure solution. So this is the structure of which we wanted to see 1H NMR spectrum, 13C NMR spectrum, etc. So in this way you can explore the other compounds which are on this page, for which for those compounds you can see 1H NMR and 13C NMR spectra and their structures also.